Good morning, Theodore, Roosevelt High School. I'm Dylan Schmidt, and these are your morning announcements for Thursday, April 18th, 2024. We need you to sign up for student government. Your voice matters. If you're interested in running to be a class officer, student council president, or student council representative, join the Student Council 2023-2024 Google Classroom today. We asked several student leaders about their thoughts on holding elected positions.
My name's Ethan Young, and I was the senior vice president. I ran for vice president last year so that I could bring glory and honor to my class.
Hi, my name is Theo Bednar. I am the junior class treasurer, and I want to get more involved in our school, so that's why I ran.
Hi, I'm Maddie Boer. I'm a member of the executive board this year, and I ran because I wanted to be more involved in our school and get other people more involved in the activities that we do.
Hi, my name is Riley Waltz. I was the freshman class president, and I wanted to be class president because I wanted to be more involved with our school and I wanted to help make important decisions.
Hi, I'm Shannon Heenan. I'm the freshman class secretary, and I ran to help make important decisions for our class.
Hi, my name is Layla Dubik. I'm the freshman class treasurer, and I ran for class treasurer so I could help our class afford fun things like prom and school trips.
Hi, my name is Ella Hassler, and I'm student council president. I ran for student council president because I like putting on fun events around the school for everyone.
Hi, my name is Kayla McKim, and I'm on the executive board. I wanted to be on the executive board because I wanted to have my own spin on events.
Elections will be in the format of a blind election. Students will read/hear the information candidates include, but will not know the candidates by name during the election process to help ensure a more equitable experience for candidates. Nomination forms are due next Wednesday, April 26th. Hey riders, listen up and look alive. This is how proud riders ride. It's time to announce this week's PBIS Ride winners. Congratulations to today's winners. Jaden Parks, Tony Mangieri, Kyler Foreman, Raya Elmore, and staff member Mrs. Peoples-Dukes. Ride with pride, Rough Riders. Congratulations to this week's winners. Congratulations to the members of Loop Troop for earning 10th place out of 43 teams this past Tuesday at Baldwin-Wallace University's High School Programming Contest. Loop Troop competed a new record 5 out of 7 challenging coding problems and featured Finley the Flipper Clapper, Cool Keith Hancock, Daniel the Manual Lee, and Catherine Killer Queen Logue. Also competing and making Roosevelt proud was the team Definitely Not Hacking the System, which featured David Body Remover Hoover, Jeremiah Big Spartan Lep, and Autumn the Wrath of Khan. Be sure to congratulate these outstanding students if you see them. These have been your morning announcements for Thursday, April 18th, 2024. Have a thought-provoking Thursday, Roosevelt.